Good morning, Bama fam. One of the main questions I'm always asked, where do you get your bike parts? Where do you get your gear and all your accessories? Let you know a little secret, Corey and Nate's Powersports sell on Facebook. Everything normally ships within 1 to 3 days. You can get you some tires, batteries, service parts, chemicals, brakes, tank pads, quick shifters, auto blips, core moto brake lines, accessories, levers, performance parts, full suspensions, grips, rear sets, exhaust, stands, windscreens, ECU flashes, oil filters, air filters, chains and sprockets, racing parts, motorcycle tools. If you have a cruiser, dirt bike, touring parts, or a sport bike, it doesn't matter. They have parts for everything. You can get gear, you can get helmets, you can get Bluetooth headsets, and many, many more. If you go to Corey and Nate's Powersports Sell on Facebook, request to join the page, and get your bikes on the road. With that, y'all have a fantastic day. We will catch y'all later.